like outside.
Happy birthday, dear Coyote and John Erica! Birthday to you!
There it goes.
You ready? Are you taping?
Yes.
Alright, here we go.
Here she goes. That was awesome, everyone. So happy.
I got it up my nose.
Let me look. That was awesome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday, Coyote. There's something about Coyote and everyone else's birthday.
You can profess your love.
Something about Coyote and everyone else's birthday.
Nice hat.
I don't know how to do it. Is that a good size?
Yes. Birthday wishes.
Trying to play the Where We Live theme song for him, and you would not have it.
That one's too big.
No.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Wait, who is it?
Is this worth filming? I'm not sure.
I hope so.
That was spontaneous. You missed
No,
it.
say it. Use
I gotta
something
think of
so
something else
clever.
funny.
Well, say something else funny.
Well, they're in
I don't have my writers with me right now. I'm not sure if I can say anything funny.
So close to you.
Yeah?
Are you going to do
Just watch your faces too.
Guys, watch your hands.
TNT!
Okay, more.
Who's got
Sparkle art.
Should have grabbed my lighter.
These guys might really easily.
Come on, dudes, light it up.
That easily.
There we go. Oh, I thought it was mine. Damn it. I was all excited.
Isn't that the worst feeling?
Yeah, you think it's yours?
Hey, you know what's funny? Those little things when they hit your bare feet, they really burn.
Oh, mine's done.
Bummer. I don't want to hurt anybody.
Fun smart there.
Come on, why can't? What's the?
This is really building up, though. I'm really excited. For when it does go off.
Dollar store, sorry guys.
Hey!
Right as
Yeah.
Happy 4th, everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. Happy September 4th.
Merry Christmas.
Is it September 4th? Totally. That's right. Happy 4th.
Go, go, go.